If you watched my previous video, you saw how successfully we were able to call out this penny stock from around $3 to a price target of $5. The 23.6% retracement, which is this blue line, was the target goal, and you see on this day, it hit that target almost to the exact spot. Now let's see if we can repeat this success with another penny stock, and that's ticker symbol CGTX. Before we break down the technicals, let's quickly recap the fundamentals. This company announced news on the 18th of this month. Cognition Therapeutics shares are trading higher after the company announced top-line results, which met its primary endpoint of safety and tolerability from its exploratory phase 2 Shimmer study. You can also see some high-end price targets from its current share price at the moment. So when this news did get announced, you see how heavy the volume was on the 18th. The company filled this gap fill at around $1.30, almost to a T. You knew this level was going to become a level of resistance since it was the end of the gap fill, and that's exactly where the stock got rejected and massively sold off. So seeing this heavy selling, given the volume profile, is definitely something to be aware of. However, I feel a big push is coming based on the news, price targets, but most importantly, the technical setup, and let me show you why. So as always, major long-term trend lines are a big part of my trading, and you can see this on the 1-year daily chart. It's clearly a big level of resistance, so if it gets broken, expect major volatility. There's also this key support level to be aware of, but because we're below it, expect that to act as a major level of resistance. But let me tell you why I'm currently bullish on the stock for a short-term swing trade. As you guys may or may not know, Fibonacci retracements are a big part of my trading. So let me pull that tool up right now, and let me zoom in, and I'll draw one out from this swing low to this swing high. And immediately you'll notice the 78.6% retracement level acted as a big level of support on these 4 trading days before it ultimately reversed and started running back up. Now we've had this last trading day closely bounce off the 61.8% retracement and close around this 50% retracement. So I think our next move will be for the stock to make its way up to this 23.6% retracement, which again is this blue line. And that will almost, not quite, but almost coincide with this long-term trend line. It may go straight through it, or it could get rejected, consolidate a little before ultimately breaking through and reaching the target. And from that point on, it can certainly go higher, probably to this level of resistance we drew out from earlier. But going back to where it's currently sitting at, I do expect some bullish movement. In fact, my intuition says we'll get a big green candlestick shortly, but that's just my own personal history of looking at this kind of setup. As I said before, I can certainly be wrong about all of this, so this is definitely not financial advice, and don't take it as such. These videos are just based on my own personal research and bias, so I'll be on the lookout for CGTX. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content, and definitely leave a comment down below if you want to see more content like this going forward. But other than that, good luck in the markets and have a great day. Peace.